Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today it's a battle of the snow foams, and we have, more importantly, a battle of USA versus the UK. So we have 3 entries for the United States and 3 entries for the United Kingdom. So you're going to see these products in action. We're going to talk about pricing, and we're going to decide which one is the best snow foam. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. Today we're doing a battle of the snow foams to figure out which one is the best one. So we'll have 3 entries from USA and 3 entries from the UK. But first of all, what is a snow foam? Essentially, it's a car shampoo that's made to be used in combination with a foam cannon and your pressure washer. And this way you can blanket your car with a thick layer of foam. And this way it prevents any scratches or swirls before you do the washing of your vehicle, because it's going to help to lift any loose dirt and contaminants and encapsulate them, allowing you to freely rinse them off the vehicle before you actually do a contact wash with the two-wash method, bucket method, and your favorite wash mitt. So let's go over the entries today. First of all, on the US side, these are all in US dollars, by the way, the prices, and these are the latest finds that I got from Amazon. So by the way, I'll leave the links to the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So number 1 is Griot's Garage Foaming Surface Wash, which comes in at $19.99 for 35 ounces. So that's $0.57 per ounce. We then have Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam. This one comes in at $9.99 for 16 ounces, and that's $0.62 per ounce. And the most expensive of the American group is the Adams Mega Foam. This one comes in at $16.14 per 16 ounces, which means roughly $1 per ounce. And the Adams Mega Foam also won the first place for my favorite snow foam in my 2019 Car Detailing Products Awards video, so check that out if you haven't done so yet. Now on the UK side, they're less expensive than their American counterparts. So if we look at the Angel Wax Fast Foam, it comes in at roughly £11.58 for 1,000 milliliters. So basically that's for roughly 34 ounces. So if we do the conversion, this comes in at $0.47 per ounce. Next, we have G-Technique W4 Citrus Foam. This one comes in at £12.95 per 1,000 milliliters. If you do the conversion, that's $0.47 per ounce. And last but not least, we have the Auto Finesse Avalanche. This comes in at £12.94 for 1,000 milliliters. And if you do the conversion, that comes in at $0.47 per ounce. So these are less expensive than the American counterparts. So this is not a scientific test by any means. This is more for fun, but we're going to try and keep the conditions similar for every single test. So I'll be using the Max Shine Foam Lance or Foam Cannon for the test. I'll be using 2 ounces of every snow foam in combination with 16 ounces of water. So that's a 8-to-1 dilution ratio. So we're going to keep the dilution ratios constant. Also, keep in mind that my water is pretty soft, as I have a water softener system. And of course, there are many variants that affect the quality and richness and thickness of the foam, including what foam cannon you're using, what dilution ratio you're using, what type of snow foam you're using, and also what pressure washer you have. So in my case, I have this high-end Kranzla 1122 TST. This is rated at 1,000 PSI because that's what I set it to, but it pushes, more importantly, 2.1 gallons per minute of water, so very high output, and that, of course, helps to generate all that thick foam. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start the testing. So guys, that was pretty awesome. Let me know in the comment section under the video which one was your favorite one. So we have the 3 American entries: Griot's Garage Foaming Surface Wash, Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, Adams Mega Foam, and on the UK side, the British side, we have Angel Wax Fast Foam, G-Technique W4 Citrus Foam, and we have the Auto Finesse Avalanche. So these 3 are the less expensive of the bunch, but which one did you guys select as your winner? And well, yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions, of course, in the comment section under the video. Of course, I'll make sure to include the links to all of these products and the foam cannon, again, in the description under the video. They might not all be available in your country, of course, so be aware of that. But personally, well, again, of course, for me, the Adams Megafoam is my personal favorite. It won my 2019 Car Detailing Products Awards video for a reason. And even though it's one of the most expensive ones of the group, I think it comes in actually, yeah, it is the most expensive of all of this. The performance is actually there. Some of the snow foams, of course, claim to have better cleaning capabilities. Some are citrus based, so it depends what you're looking for. But I mainly use this, of course, to add a blanket or a layer of foam on the vehicle to help loosen up any dirt and contaminants before I do the contact wash. So in that regards, they all do, of course, a great job. Of course, again, I remind you that there are always factors that influence the quality of the foam that you're getting. So what type of snow foam, what type of foam cannon you're using, what dilution ratio you're using, what pressure washer, the quality of your water, so on and so forth. So always keep that in mind. Always try to work on a cool surface to get the best results. And of course, regardless of which one you pick of any of these, well, you're going to get great results. Of course, this video, I remind you, is not sponsored. I wanted to give an equal chance to every single one of them to perform, and you guys decide. And guys, again, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, as I say, don't forget to keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.